Should a normal person care about all these headlines about redistricting in Texas and California, or it's just process?
No, they absolutely should care because it really goes to the core of, the Constitution. I mean, we have a right. Everybody talks about we have a right to vote and all that stuff. It's true. We also have a right to be represented. And the way that the courts allow both parties, but it's mostly on the Republican side, but anyway, both parties to redistrict and just out and out gerrymander for political reasons, it's just obscene. And the truth is, Mark, there's only 9 people in the country that can stop it. 9 people, and that's people in the Supreme Court. This is purely a Supreme Court question. And I would hope and pray that when some of this does make its way up to the court finally says enough is enough. You've got to put some sanity back in redistricting, and you've got to follow the principles that we've been laying out over the years. The problem is that the Supreme Court allows partisanship as a factor, and it is a factor. You got to be realistic about that. You allow that as a factor, but they've allowed all these people to elevate that one factor above everything else. And that's the problem. And if the Supreme Court would stop this, I think our democracy, I think our country, I think our people would be happier. I think the democracy would be more sound. I think our elected officials would have to work harder for our votes because there wouldn't be nearly as many safe districts, and they'd have to get out there and really listen to the minority views in their community. So anyway, I really hope that the Supreme Court will finally put a stop to this.